Welcome! Today I'm with Motorola Moto E20 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi on this device. So the first step, just go to the notification bar and here tap to the Wi-Fi icon just one time. So if you wanna turn it off, just tap one more time to the Wi-Fi icon with your finger and that's it. The second way is just go to settings and here find the connected the network and internet, tap on that. Here you see the Wi-Fi. If you will tap on the switcher, you will turn on your Wi-Fi. So now just tap to that and here you see the available networks. And for example, you can connect to one of these networks. I'll go in with this one. Now just type a password here. And also you can see the password by tapping on this checkbox. And so now just click connect. And you will see that your device was connected successfully to another network. So, if you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.